Do you love traveling in luxury? These trains will turn your journey into a dreamlike experience. Here are the 5 most expensive train journeys in the world. 5. The Maharajas Express, India. $3,385 per night. Experience royal luxury across India. Show exterior plus gold-trimmed interior for the Royal Scotsman, Scotland. Around $3,600 per night. A luxury ride through the Scottish Highlands. Rolling hills, wood-paneled interior. 3. Rovos Rail Africa, $2,500 plus per night. Classic African safari elegance on wheels. Safari View plus Lounge 2, the Golden Eagle, Russia, $2,500 to $16,000 per trip. Trans-Siberian opulence at its finest. Snowy landscapes plus dining car 1, the legendary Orient Express Europe, up to $7,000 per night. Glamour, mystery, and timeless luxury. Vintage decor, luxury suites. Which one would you ride? Subscribe for more epic facts, only on the Facts Hub Zone.